Thank you, Honourable Speaker, sir, and I thank the Honourable Member for the question. Honourable Speaker, with increasing pressure on wild stocks and other impacts on marine ecosystem, aquaculture is vitally important to Fiji. Aquaculture remains one of the key tools in the Fiji government's work towards putting fish on the table for our communities. It is vital to be reminded that aquaculture can improve the nutritional status of the rural population and generate supplementary income. It can also open opportunities for aquaculture export markets, diversify activities to relieve inshore fishing pressure, and create employment opportunities. Honourable Speaker, aquaculture is relatively new development for most of the Pacific Islands, and its history just goes back less than 30 years ago. The culture of marine and freshwater species generally remains at subsistence or developmental stages across much of the Pacific, and considerable development is required before economically sustainable aquaculture can be achieved and maintained. Honourable Speaker, the Fiji government established the Thamboni Multi-Species Aquaculture Facility in 2015 with a vision to drive aquaculture in a more productive and sustainable manner. Honourable Speaker, unfortunately, as no one is immune to disaster, the facility was completely decimated by Tropical Cyclone Winston. This completely destroyed all the hard work and the investment by the Fiji government. Honourable Speaker, sir, like any good government, we did not allow these catastrophic events to drown our vision of developing Fiji aquaculture. Today, the Thamboni Multi-Species Project is getting back on its feet. Within 2 months, the facility will start hatchery production on brackish water commodity like shrimp, post-larvae, and conditioning of milkfish juveniles as future brooders. Honourable Speaker, in time, the Thamboni Multi-Species Aquaculture Facility will accommodate a total of 10 species that will be cultured within our shores. This includes shrimp, sandfish, freshwater prawn, tilapia, giant crab, and fish fin. The development of this facility will support increased economic activities and create employment with the rural and peri-urban areas. The Ministry intends to grow these aquaculture commodities rapidly with an objective of encouraging and greater participation of our resource owners, men and women, to form new businesses. These new businesses will contribute to national economic growth, reduce demand of wild harvest, and address import substitution and support our climate change adaptation and mitigation. Honourable Speaker, Thamboni will also house a training centre to host regional and national aquaculture training. The rebuilt facility will help to boost the production of cultured fish and prawn together with replenishing our reefs. This will increase the availability of local produced seafood to the local market and the hotel tourism sector. Thank you, Honourable Speaker, sir.